Morning, dear children. Today's lesson is chapter 2 from our Magnolia English Reader, and the name of the chapter is Like a Bird. So, children, first of all, let me tell you the story. Children, can you see these two gentlemen? These two gentlemen in the picture were known as the Wright brothers. Once was named as Wilbur Wright and the other was named as Orville Wright. So children, these two Wright brothers, they decided to design a machine that would fly. So children, when they began to design the machine, can you see this glider, children? This is a glider, and they prepared this glider with the help of some sticks. Can you see, children? With some sticks, some wire, and two propellers. So children, after designing this flying machine, they went for testing. So, when they began to drive the gliding plane, the plane could only travel up to the count of 12. And children, the first brother to drive the glider was Orville, and Orville began to fly the plane, and only up to the count of 12 the plane could fly, and after that it began to land on the sandy ground, and it could only fly up to the distance of a tall bush only. Children, bush is not of a great height. They are not very tall trees. Bushes are tiny short plants. So the plane could fly only up to the height of a tall bush. Then these two Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, they decided to redesign their plane. They were not satisfied with the design and with the performance of their first glider. So they began to design it again, and after redesigning their glider plane, they began to test it. This time Wilbur began to fly the plane, and when they started flying, the plane flew up to 39 minutes, and up to 39 minutes the plane had fuel within it, and after the fuel was over, after 39 minutes, the plane came down. And this is how, children, these Wright brothers were the inventors of aeroplanes, and with the help of their design, today the engineers, they redesign the models of these Wright brothers. So now children, let us read the chapter. It was 10:30 in the morning in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, USA. More than 100 years ago, Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright stood near their flying machine. It looked like a glider, also made of sticks, wire, and canvas. But this machine was bigger and had its own petrol engine. There were two propellers in the front. The Wright brothers called it a flyer. This was the first aeroplane. Who's going in the machine first? Asked Wilbur. I am, said Orville. No, I am, said his brother. Let's toss for it, said Orville. They tossed a coin and Orville won. Next page, children. Orville climbed on the flyer and lay on the lower wing. He turned a handle, pulled a cord here, and kicked a pedal there. The engine started. The propellers turned and the engine raced forward. Suddenly it took off. Wilbur ran alongside the plane. 1, 2, 3. The seconds ticked away. 10, 11, 12. The aeroplane was back on the sandy ground. It flew only for a count of 12. It traveled a short distance at the height of a tall bush, but it was the first time someone had flown a plane. The brothers returned home to make the design better. 2 years later, Wilbur flew their new flyer for 39 minutes until it ran out of fuel. Over the years, people have used the Wright brothers model to make better models of aeroplanes. These have helped people to travel and to move things to far off places. The story of the modern aeroplane began with the Wright brothers and their flying machine. Thank you, students.